Very first moment we earn something from the business, we take it out and spend it somewhere because we want to feel safe. If you want to feel safe, this is not the place that you should be in. This is not the place for you to do business in. You are not doing business to feel safe. You're not doing business to feel secured. You are here to always work on adrenaline rush. You're here to pump in always. You cannot be safe. There is always a risk. If you play safe, you are getting riskier. You are taking the biggest amount of risk if you are trying to play it safe. Hello friends, welcome back to Money, Business and Finance, and this is Sawan Kumar talking about what do you do when you get your first success in business, or when you get the first failure in your business. No matter what it is, whether it is a success or it is a failure, what should you be doing next? I'll tell you what you should be doing next, so that the next step that you take is a success step, is a successful step. Number one is you should start reading, start studying successful people. Not people who just talk about success, people who are really successful. Not just people who talk about how to become a millionaire, but they have themselves not become a millionaire. People who talk about building a successful business, but they have themselves not built a successful business for themselves. Do not listen to them. Look out for people who have actually built successful businesses, who have been truly successful in their life. Not just millionaires, not just billionaires, but they have been successful in every aspect of their life. And they have been successful at heights. Warren Buffett, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Jack Ma, Michael Jordan, Oprah, whoever it is. Read people who are really successful, not just people who talk about success, not just people who you heard about. No, not them. Read and study real successes. And when you read and study real successes, what you need to do next is start firing bullets. Start firing bullets. Before you fire a cannon, start firing bullets. What do I mean when I say start firing bullets? When you get your first success, now what would happen is, now because you became successful the first time, you would not try to fire cannons that might land in a wrong direction or at a wrong place, and you will lose all the energy that you collected from the first success. You cannot fire cannons because you cannot still afford to lose your money or your energy. So you have to be very careful about spending your money, about spending your energy. You cannot spend it all into one thing. So once you have a successful business, continue building it, build your team, grow it, and do everything that you can to build this business. But at the same time, also start firing bullets into building something else, into maybe a new product, or doing something that is closely associated with the business but not directly. Start firing small bullets, start spending small amounts of money to it, start spending a little bit of energy to it, and see which one of the bullet has hit the target. That means which one of those bullets have hit or reached the place where you wanted it to reach. Now when you have done that, now is the time when you fire a cannon, because now you have tasted a small amount of success. This is what we do when we build a ad campaign on Google or Facebook. We start a campaign with a small budget. We fire a lot of bullets, maybe 10, 20 small ad campaigns, and we see how things are going in all of those 10 or 20 campaigns, and figure out which 1, 2 or 3 campaign is doing really well, and we dump all the others, and then we fire cannons. We put all the budgets into those 2 or 3 campaigns that went well with the bullets that we fired, and then we fire the cannon. We put in all our budgets and do everything that we can. So start firing small bullets and be prepared to fire a cannon when you know you will hit the right target. And that is only possible when you understand what investment is for you. Investing, whenever we start investing, whenever we start a business, and the very day we start having some extra money in our business, we start saving a little bit of it, we start taking that money out and invest in somebody else's company, in stock markets or in something. This is something that you should not be doing. You should be having enough money with yourself so that you can fire those bullets that I talked about, so that you can fire a cannon when needed. Stop thinking of investing in somebody else's business, someplace else, instead of spending it on your business itself. There are a lot of benefits of doing that. In addition to a great return that you can get if you spend in your own business, what you also get is you get a lot of tax savings. I have talked about tax savings, how you save taxes on when you invest in your business itself instead of taking it out and spending somewhere else. Should not be doing that. That is not a good thing, but that is what most of us do. Very first moment we earn something from the business, we take it out and spend it somewhere because we want to feel safe. If you want to feel safe, this is not the place that you should be in. This is not the place for you to do business in. You are not doing business to feel safe. You're not doing business to feel secured. You are here to always work on adrenaline rush. You're here to pump in always. You cannot be safe. There is always a risk. If you play safe, you are getting riskier. You are taking the biggest amount of risk if you are trying to play it safe. Because if you invest money somewhere else, how would your business grow? And if your business does not grow, it is bound to fail. So make sure that you do not do any of these mistakes if you want to build a successful business for yourself. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.